Hey lovelies, it's Bex here. Today I'm going to show you a nail manicure tutorial. Keep watching it till the end to see how you can do it too. Getting straight into it, these are the things that you will need. I've put a list on the right of the screen. I'm now going to examine my model's nails, and the focus areas are the nail tip, cuticle area and sidewall. It gives you an indication of the health of the nails, and just make sure you can work on them and they are not bleeding or anything like that. And it also just indicates which area you need to focus on the most or not. And then straight away going in with the nail clipper to reduce the length of the free edge. I'm now going in with a 80 to 100 nail file just to make sure that the free edge is as low as possible, because my model wanted that basically clean look, and this also smoothens out the free edge as well, so it's not sharp or pokey. I'm now going in with droplets of jojoba oil in warm water so I can soak in my model's hands for 15 minutes. This will soften the cuticles. Gently push back the cuticles. Don't be too rough here because the cuticles are quite delicate. I'm now using a 180 sanding band to make sure I remove the shine on the nail plate. This is in real time so I can just show you how gentle I'm being, and then I'm just going to speed up the video so we're not here forever. Of course, this is not something that you have to do. You can always use a nail file as well if you're doing it at home or on yourself. Another option would be to just skip this part as well, because I'll be adding on top coat. That is why I am removing the shine on the nail plate. As you can see, I am following the same motion, going around the cuticle and then facing it down to remove the shine, or any other way. As long as you're being gentle, that's all that matters here. Again, the speed, I forgot the speed, but I think it was like on 6. It was very medium, it's low medium I'd say for this part. And then I'm using the cuticle nippers to cut off any hanging cuticles, and also just to clean up that cuticle area. Any hangnails, I'll be using this cuticle nippers to cut off, and being gentle with it too because it's sharp and you don't want any bleeding as well. So yes, I'm definitely warning you guys, be careful with this part. Don't go too low because you could be cutting off very healthy and well and alive cuticles. Guys, if you do try this at home, or if you do try this on a client, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to know how it went, and hopefully this is a helpful video to you. Let me know what else you'd like to learn from me. I can try my best to give you that as soon as I can, and also just even give you some advice or tips, because I work on a lot of male clients, so this is something that I just do and then not really had any issues. So yeah, I'm happy to give any advice or guidance, so just let me know in the comments, DM me, whatever, I don't mind. So now I am using a round drill bit, and this is to basically make sure that there are no cuticles on the nail plate, and also to seal the hanging ones as well. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm so sorry. I don't know how to explain it, but because if you've actually worked on nails before, you will actually see that around the cuticle area, once you've done with the cutting, it like pokes out. So this kind of like smoothens that area a little bit more, because we are approaching the end of the manicure session, I'd say. So I'm going to use a normal nail polish remover just to remove all the dust and from the nails. This is just because I'm not going to use any gel polishes on this particular model, so there's no need to use harsh acetone or alcohol to remove the dust and anything on the nails. And then I'm using a clear top coat on my model, and this is, I think I opted in actually for a nail growth serum one. So yeah, this is just to make sure that the nails stay healthy and maintain the growth, and so that they can come back. I'm kidding, but so I'm just applying that gently on all the nails. I don't really have a technique of how to apply nail polish. I really do try my best to follow that same pattern, but I don't think I have one. Like, I feel like for my other client, I'll probably just do whatever and fill in what needs filling in. After the nails have dried, I'm going to use this nice hand scrub to you know, give the hand a nice massage and make sure it's nice and smooth. And I usually throw this in for some clients if they do request it, but I don't really like advertise I'm doing like hand scrubs because it is quite tedious. I then asked my model to wash their hands with warm water before I applied some nice hand lotion, and then I'm gonna use a cuticle oil to bring back the hydration on the nails. As you can see, they already look really good and different from before. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you do try it, make sure you tag me in your post so I can have a look too. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!